It's a new 2019 Cadillac Escalade ESV. It stays true to its Cadillac soul, offering sophistication throughout while being everything you need an SUV to be with room galore. It comes with all the amenities you need: streaming audio, power heated mirrors, dual zone climate control, streaming video feed rear view mirror, Wi-Fi hotspot, heated steering wheel, V8 engine, express open and closed sliding and tilting sunroof, magnetic fluid-filled shocks, and automatic transmission. From Kelley Blue Book, we feel the Escalade ESV delivers the smoothest and most comfortable ride offered on a body-on-frame vehicle. The only thing better than owning a Cadillac is driving a Cadillac. See what it can do for you when you take it for a test drive.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.